Working on a robotics project and need to open an XMS file in EasyBuilder? This is a complete robot control project from the Synthiam ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load, configure, and run these EasyBuilder robotics project files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for XMS files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. An XMS file is a project created by EasyBuilder, a software for designing and controlling easy robot products. Users encounter this file when saving their robotics projects, which can include scripts, 3D models, and control configurations. They typically search for this to share projects or move them between computers. The XMS format is a proprietary container, likely a compressed archive, similar to a zip file, holding various project assets like XML for configuration, scripts in EasyScript, and 3D models. This design allows all project components to be bundled into a single portable file for easy management and sharing. To gain full access to XMS, the application needed is EasyBuilder from Easy Robot Inc. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows shows only high-level details, so reading or editing game data depends on compatible tools. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your XMS file and choose Open With. Use EasyBuilder if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. If your XMS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here's a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening in Synthiam ARC. Download Synthiam ARC, the successor to EasyBuilder, from synthiam.com. Launch ARC and use File then Open Project to load the XMS file. ARC imports the legacy EasyBuilder project, converting skills and configurations to the current platform format, ready for robot control and programming. Next, connecting your robot. After loading the XMS project, connect your Easy Robot or compatible hardware via Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth. Use the connection control to establish communication with the robot. Verify servo movement camera feed and sensor inputs. Match the project configuration before running automation scripts. Finally, editing robot behaviors. Modify the loaded project by adding or configuring skills from the ARC skill library. Edit script code in the Blockly Visual Editor or JavaScript Python text editors. Test changes incrementally using the run controls, then save the updated project, preserving your robotics development progress. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.